Hello my dear students, welcome to Chemistry Minutes. The question now appearing on your screen is exercise question 4.1. The question is, from the rate expression for the following reactions, determine their order of reaction and the dimension of the rate constants. So the reactions are given, the four reactions. First is 3NO gases gives N2O gases. Rate is KNO square. Second is H2O2 aqueous plus 3I minus aqueous plus 2H plus gives 2H2O plus I3 minus. Rate is K concentration of H2O2 into concentration of I minus. Third is CH3CHO gases gives CH4 gaseous plus CO gases. Rate is K into concentration of CH3CHO raised to the power 3/2. And then fourth is C2H5Cl gaseous gives C2H4 gaseous plus HCl gaseous. Rate is equal to K into concentration of C2H5Cl. तो इसमें हमें ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन बताना है सबका और डायमेंशंस ऑफ रेट कांस्टेंट. लेट्स स्टार्ट राइटिंग दिस आंसर. फर्स्ट पार्ट, ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन equal to 2 because the power of concentration of NO is 2 here, and dimension of rate constant So dimension of rate constant can be found by the formula moles per liter raised to the power 1 minus n, the order of reaction, second inverse. So if we use n as 2 here, we will get liter per mole per second. So this will be answer to the first part. Now the second part. In second part, there are two reactants and each reactant is raised to the power 1. So order of reaction is equal to 2 and dimension of rate constant that will be equal to same as the dimension of rate constant in part 1, that is liter per mole per second. So this will be the answer to second part. Now the third part. For the third part, the order of reaction is 3/2. Now dimension of rate constant mole liter inverse to the power 1 minus 3/2 second inverse. So that will be equal to liter mole inverse to the power half per second. So this is the answer to the third part. Now the fourth part. For the fourth part, order of reaction is 1 because the power of C2H5Cl concentration is 1. So order of reaction 1 and dimension of rate constant mole per liter to the power 1 minus 1 second inverse. So mole per liter to the power 0, that is 1. So we can write it as second inverse. So this will be the unit of rate constant for fourth part. So this is the answer to the question.